My name is Oleksandra Matviychuk. I'm head of Center for Civil Liberties, the Nobel Peace Prize laureate of 2022. We are documenting war crimes in this war that Russia has launched against Ukraine. We have in our database more than 100,000 episodes of war crimes. Among these episodes, there are a lot of crimes against children, like this. 2 years ago, Russian missiles deliberately hit the biggest children's hospital in the country, where children were treated from cancer. And I'm here to say that people in Ukraine, people in the United States, we all love the same things. We love the love of our children and to look to the sky without fear. Unfortunately, it's not a reality for people in Ukraine, where parents give their children the emergency whistle because Russian missiles, Russian drones deliberately hit residential buildings, schools, churches, museums and hospitals. So they give the emergency whistles to children with the hope that the rescuers will find their child under the rubble of the residential buildings because of the sound. And that is why I support the Sound of Life campaign. And that is why I ask you, urge your government to provide air defense system to Ukraine. Donate to it. Because after the Russian missiles, the biggest threat for Ukrainian children is silence.